Hey there, Clutter Care community. Imagine if the Google Apps finally clicked for you. No more frustration, no more wasted hours searching for the right settings. Just smooth, simple systems that actually work for you. This can be your future starting now. I hear it all the time. Google users feeling stuck, overwhelmed, and honestly just exhausted trying to use the Google Apps effectively on their own. If you've wasted hours Googling the solutions you need, there is a better way.
Amy knows her stuff. She's informative and patient. She can break down complex information and make it understandable for the average Joe.
And that's exactly why I created Google Groupies, a membership designed to empower you with the skills, tips, and tricks and support you finally need to make the Google Apps work for you. So, what's inside of Google Groupies? Here's what you'll get as a member: a membership with self-paced online classes, including Google Core Apps 1 and 2, Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, and Tasks. A bi-weekly 30-minute live group Q&A sessions recorded for your convenience, online and live access to me, Amy Novick, and a membership in a like-minded Google community for shared learning. No more endless searches or outdated tutorials. Just clear step-by-step guidance so you can focus on what matters most to you and not waste time wrestling with your technology.
Amy is brilliant when it comes to all things Google. She was able to help me do in about 30 minutes what I've been stressing about over for weeks.
So, if you are ready to streamline your digital life, save time, and feel totally in control of your Google tools, now is the time to join. Click the link below to join Google Groupies and master your Google Apps with confidence. I look forward to helping you succeed.